Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some funky, chunky postcards using everything in my craft arsenal. Now these are really cool pieces of art to send through the mail, but you could also frame them and put them on your wall if you made them just a little bit bigger. We are using my extra pieces of Decor transfers from Redesign with Prima. We're adding some embellishments with hot glue techniques, and we're also using some MARABU art sprays. There's so much going on, and I think you're gonna love this project. Now, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just wanna say hello. And come on, you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some funky, chunky postcards.
The concept of the individual postcard as we know them was invented by Dr. Heinrich von Stephan in Prussia in 1865. His idea was rejected at the time, but the first postcard was sent in Austria-Hungary 4 years later in 1869. When the U.S. Postal Service began delivering packages in 1913, people realized that it was cheaper to mail their children than it was to buy them train tickets. Mr. and Mrs. Jesse Boge of Glen Estee, Ohio, paid 15 cents in stamps to send their son to his grandmother's house. But not to worry, the couple also insured him for $50. The most expensive item ever shipped through the mail was the Hope Diamond. After centuries of passing through the hands of kings, queens, royal mistresses, and thieves, it ended up with Harry Winston in 1958. Winston wrapped the diamond in brown paper and shipped it through ordinary post. He paid $2.44 postage and about $142 for insurance, and the diamond arrived at its destination safe and sound.
leave a link to MARABU art sprays, Surebonder glue guns, and Redesign with Prima in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you next week. Bye. Now these funky chunky postcards are super cool because they're very dimensional and wow, the f did I f that up?